Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix alarm not working on iPhone. In this video I am going to tell you how can you fix this issue, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check alarm settings. Start by double checking your alarm settings. Maybe your recent iOS update could potentially affect these settings, leading to the iPhone alarm not working issue. First, open the clock app on your iPhone. Next, tap on the alarm option at the bottom. And next, to add alarm, tap on the plus button. Select the specific clock you want. And then tap on sound and make your own alarm sound. And the next step is choose alarm type. If you are using a regular one-time alarm, open the clock app on your iPhone and then tap on the alarm option. Next, locate the alarm you need. The next step is if you are using a sleep or wake up alarm. For this, open the clock app. Set up for sleep and wake up. Next, tap on change. Scroll down to turn on the wake up alarm and then turn up the alarm sound. The next step is for using a repeat alarm. For this, open the clock app. Tap on the alarm you want to go off repeatedly and then tap on repeat. Now select the days and then tap on back. Next, tap on save option at the top right corner and you are done. And the next step is check iPhone settings even if your alarm settings are in order. For this, open the settings app. Then tap on sound and haptics. Drag the slider to the right to turn up the volume for ring notes and alerts. And you are done. And the next step is do not disturb mode. For this, open the control center from the top right side. Then tap on the moon icon. From here, tap on do not disturb mode to disable it. And you are done. And the next step is recreate alarms. If your alarm does not go off, for this, open the clock app and then tap on the alarm. Next, tap on the edit button in the upper right corner of the screen. And then tap the red minus icon next to the alarm you want to delete and then tap delete and tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner. Create a new alarm and tap save. You can create an alarm that will go off in 1 minute to test if it works this time. And you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. And then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. For this, open settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then download and install the latest version and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings on iPhone. For this, open settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset. Then tap on reset all settings on iPhone. Enter the passcode and tap reset all settings to confirm and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of alarm not working, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.